lane if you wanted the right lane? I don't get it. Whoa, dude. You're not even looking in my direction.
Head southwest on 83 Avenue Northwest.
What are you doing? Oh, you're on your phone. Well, I think that's a phone? I don't know. This guy looks like a loser.
Asteroids came in, knocked us off the planet anyway.
Something along the lines of that, yeah.
Okay, so genuinely want your tips, guys, because it's gonna be like this for the next like 3 days. So please send us a text 5678.
Sentimental guy, one of a kind, but that's hard to find. But that's not my type. You should find your other side. The apple to your eye.
Oh, and another last second decision behind me. Jeez, what's wrong with people today? Just can't plan ahead to save their life.
Man, 32 right now.
It'll turn
Hitting highs
lanes
of
behind
30
me.
tomorrow.
Highs from too much PDA, like R-rated. Those European. Nothing in Speedos.
Oh, yeah, they're...
Shrinkage. Shrinkage was their friend that day.
Oh, no.
Yep.
Dude, watch where you're going.
It's a wrestling match. You know, trying to get the covers.
Yeah.
I've been there. What other little thing could save a relationship?
Marcus in the West End said a man.
Wow, you're an idiot. Big idiot. You don't need to drive so far in the middle, you know? Oh, man, we got an illegal U-turn behind me. You're like on the wrong side of the road for crying out. Oh, God.
Beyond belief.
The getting bugs and bites and
What the
everything
hell
for
are you
being on
doing?
vacation.
Oh yes, I had enough trouble today worrying about what damn suitcase I was going to use. Now I've got myself all stressed about if something's going to climb in my hoo-ha, bite my butt, bury itself in my poop,
This is right outside.
and I'm going to have to pee on my foot. Rachel, I'm all stressed.
Where are you going?
I'm going.
Wendy's is American, but A&W is more of a thing here. Yeah.
Wish I put the bottle back on that shelf. Wish I wouldn't have worried about what other people thought. I felt comfortable with myself. Rooftop open, and the stars above.
parking job there. What are you doing? Oh, nice blinker. You too, nice blinker. Wow, you're a prick. Oh, you're an idiot too. Golden arrow.
Exit right to 41 Avenue Southwest.
That's not legal, Saskatchewan. Oh, and then of course go back to the right lane. What are you doing? You're going really, really slow.
The beautiful new Starlight Casino has something for everyone. More games, more dining, always fun.
Here we go again.
Now radio.
Hey, good morning. Happy Thursday, guys. Warming up. 25 this afternoon. Still a chance of a thunderstorm. Just
Oh, nice
much
stop.
yesterday.
All right, we're going over this email.
I highly doubt that you are allowed to park that close to an intersection, my friend. That is not legal, lady.
Turn right on Ridge Road 243.
Check my flow. Oh, the waiter just served my table. In a piece of Kleenex. See, everything's a danger.
Turn left on 41
We
Avenue
must
Southwest.
be careful now, family. And this one,
Whoa.
Mike in Redwater, says, my sister shot me.
In 6.1 kilometers.
Nice stop.
Left on Warcommon Southwest.
You're smooth sailing. So we're talking about something that's maybe unique to your car. Could be, you know, that your car's a piece of crap and something doesn't work, or maybe you did some kind of cool modification.
Okay, you were
like
obviously
Sandra from
speeding
Limburg.
back there.
Says, my son has an
300
Xbox.
meters. Turn left.
This one says my back doors don't open unless it's minus 40. It's a Ford Focus issue. I've never heard about that one.
Oh, nice
Power
blinker at
out
the
on
last
34th
second.
Ave? Question mark. Someone says I haven't heard anything about that. And oh, someone asking about that
You've
Hyundai
arrived
problem.
at your
It's Northside
destination.
Hyundai eastbound, backing up from about 97.
What's
to
this person up there doing?
489-4669. Damon, go ahead.
With special modifications, there's a guy who used to
That's not legal there. Oh, dude, that looked too close up there. Well, that was a bit of an impatient move from you. I see you're not signaling F-150.
6.9 kilometers. Exit to exit 5.
Nice signal again, F-150.
Highway 625 East. Nisku, Beaumont.
Oh, now you signal? There you go. That's not so difficult now, is it? Guys, that is not a crosswalk. It's literally like 3 feet away from you. Maybe a little more than that, but still. And a pedestrian. I hope you're taking the exit, because this isn't a good place to walk. What the hell are you two doing there?
More access to their massive selection and vape experts. River City Vapes, Windermere, Newcastle, and Fort Road, or online anytime.
Did you even look before you ran across the road?
City Vapes.
Who raised you?
Call to action. This is a call to